Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram Reels not playing. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to force close your Instagram application and try to reopen it to watch your Reels, and it should go ahead and fix it. However, if it still doesn't fix it, then simply try to clear your cache. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. Finally, tap on apps. And now simply go ahead and scroll down until you find Instagram in this group and tap on it. Finally, tap on storage and then tap on clear cache on the bottom right hand side of your screen. That should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, try to switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data, or you could also try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick network refresh. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.